Let's solve few problems on definite integrals. Alright, look at the first one. You have integral of x plus 1. Just directly integrate. Okay, no, nothing doing, direct integration. So you have integral of x plus 1 from minus 1 to 1, right? This is x square by 2 plus x, correct? Now you have to apply the limit. So limit is what? Minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, correct? Now when you do this, you'll get half of 1 square minus of minus 1 whole square, okay? Plus 1 minus of minus 1. So this is going to be half 1 minus 1, right? Plus 1 plus 1. This is part is 0. So final answer is 2. So the answer for the first one is going to be 2. That's all. Very simple, very easy. Fair enough? Now let's do the second question. In this problem also, directly integrate and substitute. That's all. Okay. So here, when you start integrating, 4 into x to the power of 4 divided by 4, the integral of 4x cube, minus 5 by 3 into x cube, plus 6 by 2 x square, plus 9x. Now for all of this, the value or the integral part is the limit, basically 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, and here also it's 1 to 2. Now 4 and 4 cancels out, right? So you have 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4, the first part, minus 5 by 3 into 2 cube minus 1 cube, plus 3 into 2 square minus 1 square, plus 9 into 2 minus 1. Fine. 16 minus 1, 15, minus 5 by 3 into 8 minus 1 is 7, plus 3 into 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 9, right? So here 15 plus 9 plus 9, isn't it? 15 plus 9 plus 9 minus 35 divided by 3. Now it's just normal plain old addition and taking LCM and subtracting, right? Now 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 plus 9 is 33. So 33 minus 35 by 3, which gives us 99 minus 35 divided by 3. So the final answer is going to be 64 divided by 3. So final answer for the second one is this 64 divided by 3. Understood? Now here remember we are integrating each and every term. Separately you are integrating, separately you are putting the limits. Only then you will be able to get the answer. Fair enough? So this is the answer for the second one. Now let's do the third one. Alright? See the third question. Integral of sine 2x dx from 0 to pi by 2. Here, one thing what you can do, sine 2x, correct? The integral is going to be minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Now, if you can't do this one, then you can substitute 2x as t and you might be able to do it. But in the next video, you are going to learn substitution in definite integral, okay? But right now, you can directly do it. Minus half cos 2x. Now, what is the limit? 0 to pi by 2, right? Since you have this one, minus half into cos of 2 times pi by 2 minus cos 0. Because 2 into 0 is 0. This and this cancels. Minus half cos pi minus 1. Cos 0 is 1. This becomes minus half into, what is cos of pi? Cos of 180 minus 1. isn't it? Minus 1, minus 1. See, minus half into minus 2, answer becomes 1. That's all. The answer is 1. So the answer for the third one is 1. So remember, most of the sine and cosine, the only these two trigonometric functions, if the limit is 0 to pi by 2, generally, I'm not saying everywhere, generally the answers are going to be like this. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. See the fourth one, integral of cos 2x, right? Previous one was sine 2x. So you have integral of cos 2x 0 to pi by 2, right? This is going to be half sine 2x from 0 to pi by 2, right? This is half of sine 2 into pi by 2 minus sine 0. 2 cancels out. So we have half sine pi minus sine 0. What is sine of 180? 0. What is sine 0? 0. That means the final answer is going to be half of 0 minus 0. So the answer is 0. That's all. This is the answer. Such a simple problem. Okay. Now the third one and the fourth one, what you're seeing, these two problems, you are going to see the same thing even in alternating current chapter what you have in physics, AC. Okay, you have integral of sine square and cos square which you convert into this form. Okay, so remember this point. Fine. Now let's move on to the fifth one now. See the fifth one now. You have integral of tan x from 0 to pi by 4, right? What is integral of tan x? Log of cos x, correct? See, when you take log of cos x, you're going to get minus, isn't it? So you can take minus log of cos x, or you can take log of secant x, right? So you can take it however you want because both of them will give you the same answer anyway. So now here, let's go by the formula itself. That is log of secant x. This is from 0 to pi by 4, correct? Log of secant pi by 4 minus log of secant 0, right? Now, this is going to be log of secant pi by 4, which is nothing but root of 2 minus log of secant 0, which is 1, right? So this is going to become log root 2 minus 0. Log 1 is 0, right? So forget about that part because it doesn't exist anyway. And in the sense, minus 0 makes no sense. Log of root 2, which you can write it as half log 2. So the final answer is going to be half log 2. Clear? So this is the answer for the fifth question. Now we are going to see the next one, that is the sixth one. See the sixth one now. You have integral of 1 by root 1 minus x square. What is 1 by root 1 minus x square? Sine inverse, isn't it? The answer for this becomes sine inverse of x from 0 to 1. This is sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse of 0. What is sine inverse of 1? Pi by 2. So answer is pi by 2 minus 0, which is just pi by 2. So answer for the sixth one is going to be just pi by 2. Clear? Let's do the seventh one now. See the seventh one. 1 by x square minus 1. See, this integral is of the form 1 by x square minus a square, which is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Isn't it? So the integral is of that particular form itself. So what we are going to do now is we are going to substitute that particular integral, apply the value. All right. So what you have now is integral 1 by x square minus 1. Right? Of course, the limit is 2 to 3. 1 by 2 times of 1 because a value is 1. 1 by 2a into log of x minus 1 by x plus 1. Isn't it? From 2 to 3. Correct? Substitute the limits now. 1 by 2 into log of first 3 minus 1 upper limit, right? 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4 minus log of 2 minus 1 1 divided by 3. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. Correct? In the sense what we are doing is 2 and 4 cancel out, you will get this as 1 by 2. Correct? So now this is going to become half log of 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. Log of a minus log of b is log of a by b, correct? So this is going to become half into log of 3 by 2. So the final answer is going to be this. Half log 3 by 2. Fair enough? So this is the answer for the 7th question now. Fine. Now we'll move on to the next one. See the 8th one. You have integral of x by x square plus 1 from 2 to 3. Isn't it? So guys, for this particular question, it's easier if you actually do substitution method. Okay, even though we have not discussed the substitution method, still let's do it. Okay, so first what we'll do, take x square plus 1 as t. Okay, so 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal to half dt. So my integral becomes half dt divided by t, right? So which is half log t. Now what is t? X square plus 1, isn't it? This becomes half of log of x square plus 1. Now you can apply the limit. See, limit is what? 2 to 3. Correct? Now, the method whatever I have done is one of the methods of solving the integration by substitution, which you guys are going to learn in the next video. Right? But anyway, now let's continue with this one. So this is going to be half of log of 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Minus log of 2 square plus 1 is 5. Right? This is going to be half log of 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So answer is half log 2. So this is going to be the final answer for the 8th question. Okay, we have done a little bit of substitution here so that it's going to be easy for you to solve it. Fair enough? Now let's do the 9th one. All right, so we are going to continue with the 9th one now. See the 9th one? Split the integral in the sense integral of 2 secant square x 0 to pi by 4 plus integral x cube from 0 to pi by 4 plus 2 integral from 0 to pi by 4. Split. So this is going to be 2. What is integral of secant square x? Tan x, right? Tan x plus x power 4 by 4 plus 2x. Now limits 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. Correct? Substitute. You have 2 tan pi by 4 minus tan 0. correct? The first part. Plus 1 by 4 pi by 4 to the power of 4 minus 0. Guys, 0 is not even necessary to write it, right? Plus 2 times pi by 4 minus 0 anyway. So here tan 0 is 0. So tan pi by 4 is 1. So you have 2 plus pi to the power of 4 by 4 power 5 plus pi by 2, because 2 and 4 cancels out here. See, it's 2 and 4 cancels out. So the answer for this question is this. It's quite a weird and big answer, but this is the final answer. You don't have to simplify whatsoever. You can just keep it as it is. Fine. So this is the answer for the 9th question. Now we'll move on to the 10th one. See the 10th one? You have integral of sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 from 0 to pi. This integral, before you solve, you need to simplify a little bit. So what we'll do now, take minus sign common. So minus of cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. Now, isn't it cos x? Remember cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sine square theta. It's in the same form, cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. So this is going to become integral of minus cos x from 0 to pi by 2. Correct? So this is going to be minus sin x. What are the limits? 0 to pi by 2. Correct? So once you have this, minus of sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Isn't it? So minus of 1 minus 0. So answer is negative 1. So the answer for the last one, the 10th one, is negative 1. Fine. See, the problems what you're seeing right now, these are all the basic level problems in definite integral. Okay, now how do you integrate and how you are going to substitute and get the answer? Fine. In the next video, you're going to learn the concept of substitution in definite integrals.